If you've ever tried to find the perfect royalty-free track for your videos, you already know the struggle. You either spend hours digging through music libraries, or you end up settling for a generic beat that doesn't quite match the vibe of your project. Today, I'm going to show you a way to bypass that entire process. This platform is called TAD AI, and this isn't just a basic music generator. It's an all-in-one AI music studio that can handle everything from song creation and vocal separation to AI covers and realistic voiceovers. Let's get straight into it. When you land on the dashboard of TAD AI, you'll see the four main pillars of the platform: AI music, AI cover, vocal remover, and text-to-speech. Below, we have the trends and a gallery of the public creations made by users all around the globe. And before we start, you get 21 free credits just for signing up, so you can test out a couple tracks and see whether this fits your workflow before committing to anything. Let's kick this off with the AI music generator. Inside this tool, you have two main ways to create music: Smart Mode and the Custom Mode. This Smart Mode is perfect when you already have a vibe in mind, but you don't have written lyrics or a fully developed concept yet. Here, you can simply type a short idea into the prompt box and even attach images for reference. For example, I'll type, "A chill, lo-fi hip-hop track for a late-night study session." Here you have a toggle to choose if you want an instrumental. But look at this. We have two modes, Smart and Quick. The Smart mode generates lyrics and style prompts for your song before creating it, while the Quick mode skips all that straight to generating. So instead of you having to think like a music producer, the Smart mode does that heavy lifting for you. Now, let's move over to Custom mode, which is perfect for creators who want more control over the final result. Here you have a big box, so you can paste in your own lyrics. Below the lyrics section, you have the style box and tags. This is where you can guide the sound of the track by selecting the genre, vibe, and instruments. Okay, so let's try it out. I'll paste in a short set of lyrics about the beauty of autumn. And right there, an AI assistant appears. We can ask to condense, expand, or refine the lyrics, or even get ideas. Let's ask him to refine and improve the lyrics. And just like that, our lyrics are now improved. It looks more poetic and flowing. Now for the prompt, you can paste a style prompt or choose from the tags here. For genre, I will select teen pop, joyful upbeat for vibe, and wow, we have a great variety of instruments, even including some exotic ones. Let me go a bit wild here: night sky scene, bouncy rhythm, and a mid-tempo. Below we have advanced options to select the gender of vocals and style and creative weight sliders. I'm going to select female vocals, and let's keep the sliders as default. At the top, we can select the music model that we want to create our song. We have two here, TAD 5.5 and Mureka V9, which we already know as a potential Suno killer. So I'm going to keep with the TAD 5.5 model and hit create. Here we are. Let's hear it. Oh, that is lovely and lively, upbeat and joyful, just like we asked for. And you can download this song as MP3 or in high-quality WAV format as well. And look at this Remove Vocals button next to the track. When you click that, it takes you directly into the Vocal Remover tool. This is a brand new feature, and it's a total lifesaver for editors. For the portion, let's go with the full track and hit save. You have two options here. You can separate the track into vocal and instrumental, or you can go deeper and extract all detected stems, which splits things like drums and bass into their own files. Pretty much like your usual stem splitter, not only on vocals. I'm gonna switch on this export MIDI toggle here. If you're a music producer, this is a huge pro feature that lets you export the actual musical notes so you can use them in your own production software. Since I just need to remove the vocals this time, I'll select vocals plus instruments for now and hit create. Here we are. Click on the View Stems button here, and we can see the two separate stems for vocal and instruments. Let's check this instrumental stem out. Yeah, that is really good. We can't hear bleeding from the vocals, it's completely separated. Okay, now I'm gonna try out splitting all detected stems here as well, because why not? Now, because this is intensive processing, it does cost 70 credits. Here we go. Click View Stems and look at that. We got guitar, vocal, bass, drums, synth, brass, and winds as well. You can download any of these stems individually, or download everything separately as MIDI files too. Now let's move to the next step, and this is where things get really creative. The AI cover generator. This is perfect if you want to reimagine an existing song with a fresh vibe. Here too, you have two modes as Smart Cover and Custom Cover. Custom Cover is only available with the Mureka V9 model at the moment. Here, you can upload a reference audio, import from the library, or paste an audio link as well. And in Smart Mode, you can describe how you want to change the genre and vibe of the song, and in the Custom Mode, you can input a new set for the song as well. But TAD AI is very strict about safety, so you need to ensure you use original audio to avoid copyright flags. Okay, let's try to make a cover for our song in the Smart Mode. I'm interested to see how a reggae version of it would play out. I'm gonna select our song from the library, and for the description, I will type for a chill reggae vibe. Let's go with Mureka V9 for this, and hit create.
Easy breeze on a sunlit stream. Baseline walking with steady feet. Roots in the soil, hot on the tide. Smoke of the morning, slowing by. Coconut shadows sway with the sound. Oh, vinyl spinning that keeps us grounded.
Hear that? The AI singing that song back to me in a completely different genre while keeping the original melody perfectly intact. And with the Smart Mode, it has also written a fresh set of lyrics as well to match the new vibe and the genre we asked for. Finally, we have the text-to-speech. If you're a faceless creator or you're making tutorials just like this one and don't want to use your own voice, this text-to-speech tool is your best friend. You can paste up to 5,000 characters here, which is enough for a full video script. But look at the voice library. You can browse by trendy TikTok voices, storytelling, or radio hosts. These are hyper-realistic. They even have breath and natural pauses. I'm gonna paste this text right here, and for the voice, I'm gonna use Mark for a natural conversation. See this Add Dialogue button? This lets you create a scene with multiple characters in one single audio file. Gives you a lovely variety. But for this, I'm gonna go with the single voice and hit create.
If you've ever tried to find the perfect royalty-free track for your videos, you already know the struggle. You either spend hours digging through music libraries, or you end up settling for a generic beat that doesn't quite match the vibe of your project.
Okay, that's really good. Although I do hear some robotic artifacts, it is still extremely helpful in saving your time for faceless creation. It only costs 8 credits per generation, making it incredibly affordable for long-form content. After spending time with TAD AI, it's clear this isn't just another toy. It's a production workflow tool. It handles the creation, the technical separation, and the final narration all in one tab. Regarding the cost, like I mentioned at the start, those 21 free credits are perfect to get your feet wet. But if you're a serious creator, you really need to look at the yearly Pro plan. Right now, they are offering a 20% discount if you go yearly. And when you break down the math, it brings the cost down to about 12 cents per song. Think about that. For 12 cents, you are getting a studio-quality, royalty-free track that you own the rights to use commercially. If you're ready to level up your production, I've placed the link to TAD AI right at the top of the description so you can start creating. Go grab your free credits and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching this walkthrough, and I'll see you in the next video.